Quick disclaimer, if you have broken mechanical parts within your transmission, this is not going to help. However, this can definitely save you a lot of bucks if you have shift delays, as I do in my 100 series Toyota Land Cruiser, where I have hard time shifting into D. As a matter of fact, this video is applicable for any automatic or manual transmission except CVT. Do not use this product if you have a CVT transmission. Few days back, I changed my transmission oil with brand new Toyota OEM filter, which hasn't do much so far. So let's see if the $13 Lucas transmission fix is gonna save this good old transmission. Okay, so first thing first, let's pop the hood and check the transmission fluid level real quick. It should look red and clear and at the correct level. Even though it is not really important to drain some fluid, I prefer to do about a liter or so that we can avoid overfilling, which can also be problematic. So make sure that your transmission is warm before you drain the fluid from your tranny. Once you drain about a liter or so, put the drain plug back and tighten things up. There are a lot of videos online where some people pour the Lucas oil directly into the tranny pan. There is absolutely nothing wrong with that, but you gotta take the tranny pan out, which could be a pain for you to do so. As the Lucas oil is so thick, it may take some time to pour it. So the best way I find is to grab a liter of OEM transmission oil and then pour some and then mix the rest of it with the Lucas oil so that you can pour butter smooth. Once you do that, start your engine and check your fluid level once again to make sure that everything is nice and clean. Now, as you know, the results is not going to be immediate. You may have to drive for another 300 miles or so, or 500 kilometers or so that it will circulate throughout your transmission system. As you can see, my odometer is 298,396 kilometers. I'm going to drive for another 500 kilometers and report back if it's improved anything. Till then, stay tuned.